Welcome to the Dentitox Pro review. I've purchased and used Dentitox Pro and I've decided to make this review video basically just to let you know guys whether this product works and whether you should buy it. Dentitox Pro is an oral support supplement that aims to rebuild gums and teeth, all while getting rid of tooth decay. The solutions only contain natural ingredients which when combined are trusted to make a whole lot of a difference, starting at the very root cause of the problem. How does the Dentitox Pro works? Dentitox Pro has formulated to build our saliva into one of the increased nutrients built up. To put things into a better context, saliva can be seen as a cleaner that can reach hard to reach places and in so doing to break down and destroy harmful substances while at the same time protecting the mouth from the foreign invaders. Features of Dentitox Pro have: Dentitox Pro is a formula that is organic. All natural ingredients sourced from growers allow plants to mature fully. It consists of appropriate combination and ratio of ingredients for a safe and effective solution. It processed under strict sterile standards with the regular cleaning routines. It is non-GMO and far from inducing dependency on the solution. Benefits of the Dentitox Pro. Dentitox Pro actively works to serve various effective results. This formulation of organic and locally produced ingredients provides nature healing and care. Dentitox Pro aids to stop redness, bleeding, and pain of the teeth and gums. It protects the dental system from harmful pollutants and toxic components present in the surrounding. It heals and builds the teeth and gums back to health. The oil strengthens tooth enamel and prevents tooth decay. The healing factors in the oil improve anti-inflammatory properties to reduce swollen gums and aches. It effectively reduces oral infections and mouth ulcers. It aids in the prevention of the dental cavities, gingivitis, and other dental issues. Is Dentitox Pro safe? There are several Dentitox supplements in the market claiming relief and other solutions. However, Dentitox has proven results and benefits that guarantee attention to the root of the dental problem, attaining it with 100% natural formula. It cures dental ailments and provides complete relief. Side effects of Dentitox Pro. Dentitox Pro is designed to deliver results without causing any side effects. It's made specially to maximize efficiency without causing side effects. There are zero side effects while taking Dentitox Pro. It is overwhelmingly tolerated well by users with no adverse reaction whatsoever. Dentitox Pro is a very safe product that should not cause any issues to your health whatsoever. If you are still unsure whether or not Dentitox Pro may be the right fit for you, then we recommend you to consult your doctor before trying the product. In order for the product to work, you have to make sure that you get it from the official website. I'll put the link of the official website of Dentitox Pro in the description so your purchase will be 100% safe. Thank you for watching.